Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 21 and let me share with you how to change the language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. So let's tap on this gear icon. Then let me go back. We are here in the general list of the settings. So now all you have to do is to scroll all the way down to find the option system. So again, gear icon. Then tap on the second option, so languages with A in the icon, and go to system languages, so the first option. Now let's tap on add a language, so this plus icon, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and then tap on it. And I will pick, I don't know which one, maybe this one. Just tap on the option. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the list. And now all you have to do in order to set it is to tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you if you want to change the system language. So just tap on change, so the option in the right lower corner. And usually it will not happen because you will probably choose the language which can be used as a system language, but let me just tap on OK. Basically, your new language will appear at the very top of the list, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me quickly change it to English. And if you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Then mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.